As mobility needs grow, the demand for motorized wheelchairs has soared. Whether you're a senior, someone with limited mobility, or a caregiver looking for convenience, these electric wheelchairs offer independence and control. This guide covers the best motorized wheelchairs based on key factors like motor power. List 1. Porto Mobility Ranger Quattro Ultra 600W Motor Exclusive Lightweight Foldable Electric Wheelchair. The Porto Mobility Ranger Quattro Ultra is a high-performance, foldable wheelchair powered by dual 300W motors, giving it a total of 600W, ideal for hilly or uneven terrains. Built with a rugged aluminum frame, this chair supports up to 400 pounds, yet remains surprisingly lightweight and travel-friendly. Its intuitive joystick offers precision steering, while the lithium battery provides an impressive range of up to 20 miles. It folds compactly in seconds, making it easy to store in car trunks or travel on airplanes. The suspension system and wide rear wheels ensure a List 2. 33 Lounge Lightweight Electric Wheelchair. Foldable, 15-mile range for seniors. This ultralight 33 Lounge electric wheelchair is tailored for senior users who prioritize ease of use and portability. Despite its featherweight design, it boasts durable dual motors that can handle up to 265 pounds and travel up to 15 miles on a single charge. Ideal for air travel, this model folds in under 3 seconds and fits easily into compact spaces. The intelligent joystick can be placed on either armrest, making it perfect for both left and right-handed users. A standout feature is its USB charging port, allowing users to charge devices. List 9. Electric wheelchair for adults, ultra lightweight, foldable, dual motors, 33 pounds. Similar in weight and design to the previous model, this 33 pounds foldable electric wheelchair combines portability with a sleek, modern design. It's equipped with dual motors that provide reliable movement across smooth indoor and light outdoor terrain. Its airline-approved lithium battery makes it an excellent travel companion. The sturdy aluminum frame and padded seat offer decent comfort for daily use. This model is best for those who need a simple, no-fuss solution for moderate mobility challenges. It's also priced competitively, making it an attractive option for List 4. Powit electric wheelchairs for adults. Foldable, lightweight, 500-watt dual motors. The Powit electric wheelchair stands out for its powerful 500-watt dual motors and user-friendly foldability. This chair strikes an excellent balance between performance and convenience, offering a long-range lithium battery, a comfortable ergonomic seat, and anti-tip rear wheels for added safety. It supports up to 330 pounds and folds in less than 5 seconds. The shock absorption tires and solid frame make it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. One of the most praised features is the brushless motor technology, which provides a smoother ride with List 5. D-Band electric wheelchair, lightweight, foldable, 20+ km range. The D-Band motorized wheelchair offers an excellent 20+ km range, making it perfect for users who spend a lot of time outdoors. Built with dual motors, this chair handles hills and uneven paths efficiently while remaining compact and foldable for easy transport. It features a luxury cushion seat, breathable backrest, and electromagnetic braking system for added safety. Designed for seniors and adults who prioritize comfort during long outings, this model has thoughtful additions like a storage pouch and adjustable footrests. Though not the lightest in this lineup, its feature-rich design and reliability make it a strong contender for long-distance users.